The best niches to start a business in 2023. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, welcome, and consider subscribing to my channel and click that little bell notification below. Looking forward to starting a business in 2023? Then you're in the right place, as we're going to tell you the best niches for 2023. Number 1. Content marketing. If you're a talented writer with something worthwhile to say, content writing and writing a blog could be the ideal business for you in 2023. More and more companies in the modern digital world require high-quality content. There's a significant need for writers who can create interesting, well-written content for blogs, websites, and ebooks. You have two options for this internet business concept. Either build your own blog and make money through advertising, or work as a freelance writer for companies. You can advertise your services on freelancing websites like Fiverr or Upwork if you decide to work with companies. Number 2. Dropshipping. The first of our good business ideas is dropshipping, which is simple and inexpensive to launch. The fulfillment method known as dropshipping entails having a third-party supplier store and deliver products to clients on your behalf. Due to its minimal overhead, lack of involvement, and scalability, it's among the greatest businesses to launch. You only need to make the sales and forward orders to your supplier. You don't need to handle any products directly. It's actually one of the easiest and least expensive businesses to launch. You can compile goods from one or more vendors into your own online shop with a theme that caters to a certain market. When a customer places an order with you for a product, your supplier fills the order on your behalf. You're still in charge of your own marketing and customer support though. You can deal with local and international suppliers as long as you can build a connection with them based on trust. An unreliable supplier will negatively impact your brand. Before investing in your own original products, dropshipping is a fantastic approach to assessing the product market fit and beginning a business. Number 3. Online course. In 2020, the e-learning market was worth $250 billion, and by 2027, it's expected to be worth $1 trillion. Online courses feature modest initial expenses and large profit margins when you hit the mark if you have a computer and something to say that can benefit people. But for an online course to succeed, you need a customer base, and customer bases can take years to develop. Get in on the ground level right away. Begin developing your website, gaining followers, showcasing your expertise through your online content, and accepting pupils. Number 4. Search engine optimization businesses. Search engine optimization, or SEO as the name implies, is a collection of methods for ranking a website highly on search engine results pages, or SERP. You'll be in charge of assisting companies in raising their organic search ranks as an SEO consultant. To assist businesses to rank higher on SERPs, you'll need to conduct keyword research, competitive analysis, on-page SEO, and link building. The SEO industry is predicted to increase from $50.45 billion in 2021 to $103.34 billion in 2025 at a relatively high CAGR of 19.6%, according to data from Research and Markets. The fact that SEO businesses have inexpensive startup costs is one of their strongest features. To get started in the SEO industry, all you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and a few SEO software. Despite the minimal initial investment, the SEO industry can generate a 6-digit yearly income with just a few clients. Number 5. Manufacturing business. A manufacturing company is defined as one that uses components, pieces, or raw materials to create completed goods. There are many advantages to launching a manufacturing company in 2023. First, practically all industries are seeing an increase in the need for product transparency. Customers want to know that the goods they're buying are high quality and ethically sound. Owning your own manufacturing business will aid you in achieving your passion for product transparency. You can fully control the quality of your products if you produce them yourself. You can avoid communicating with suppliers, it's simpler to adjust depending on client input, and you can improve your quality control procedures. Here are a few manufacturing business ideas. Accessories for mobile phones. The use of mobile phones won't end anytime soon, and neither will their accessories. Like any other industry, the accessories for mobile phones experience trends. Mobile phone accessories could be a fantastic product for you to produce if you keep up with these trends. Automobile components. Automobile parts have been a product with strong demand and short supply in recent years. Kitchen utensils. When it comes to purchasing stuff, there are a lot of possibilities. Additionally, you get to decide what you want to produce. Kitchen products are a fantastic choice for your business if you want to produce products that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Paper-based goods. Paper products are incredibly adaptable and used across many sectors. Additionally, you'll be able to reach out to more customers in 2023 if you focus on creating recycled paper products to suit the market need. Personal protective equipment. Personal protection equipment has been in high demand and short supply since 2020 and the global pandemic. Masks, gloves, and other PPE are frequently required at work for personnel. You have a successful product in your hands when you combine strong demand with low production costs. Products for beauty and makeup. Manufacturers look to offer their clients the option of private labeling, and they'll find the beauty sector to be especially advantageous. Reusable plastics. All around the world, there's an increasingly unfavorable perception of single-use plastics. In other markets, they're really outright forbidden. Textile industry. The textile industry is constantly evolving. The global textile market was estimated to be worth $993.6 billion in 2021 and is expected to increase by 4% a year between 2022 and 2030. Rugs and carpets are also fantastic products for your company to make. These in general are renowned for having great resale value and inexpensive production costs. Toys for kids. Demand will always exist. When compared to the selling price, the cost of production is frequently low, giving you a large profit margin. Vegan food items. Vegan food products are a significant trend for 2023. Going vegan's the way to go if you're interested in producing food goods. Number 6. Graphic design. If you have a flair for design, graphic design might be the ideal business to launch in 2023. Successful businesses now need top-notch graphics for their websites, social media platforms, and promotional items. Additionally, you can assist them in producing such graphics as a graphic designer. You must acquire some fundamental design abilities to launch your career in this field. There are several online courses available that you can take to master these abilities if you don't already have them. Number 7. Consulting businesses. Consulting's an excellent method to supplement your income. You can use your skills and experience to support the expansion of other companies and charge them for your time and knowledge in the process. As businesses seek outside expertise, it's one of the most well-liked and profitable small company concepts. To become a consultant, you must first develop your skill set in a specialty area. Then develop a strong reputation as a person with important talents who's worth paying for within the sector.
So that's all for today's video. If you made it this far, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.